Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how you can help your seniors with their senior research paper um, find valuable information and help them with finishing their senior research paper. And it's a tool in Google that's called Google Scholar. And what Google Scholar does is it's a search that allows the user to search through articles, journals, abstracts, court opinions, that have been written by people who are experts in their field, professional societies, universities, uh, and anything else that comes from the world of scholarly research. So first, to demonstrate how well Google Scholar works, I'm going to show you a research topic that shows up in Google, just a regular Google search. So a topic kids that um, a topic that kids use for their senior research paper is Tommy John surgery, and it's how they can have kids avoid getting Tommy John surgery. And if you do a regular Google search, it pulls up around 51 million results, which that's a lot of data to sift through. And it just pulls off any type of data it can find. So pulls out, what the definition is. It has videos about Tommy John surgery, Wikipedia, and other types of information that not very reliable when it comes to a research topic. But what Google Scholar does is it gets rid of that bad information. So if I wanted to find Google Scholar, I would type in scholar.google.com, which it pops up automatically. I click on that, it pulls up what looks just like the Google search bar. So I want to use Google Scholar to look up Tommy John surgery. And when I do that, I type it in. I've already looked at it before. It does a search of all the articles, abstracts, and journal entries from doctors and other people who have researched this topic before. And it shows around 21,000 results. Here on the left sidebar, you can adjust your search based on the date. Google Scholar is designed to show you the results based on what professionals find to be the most important. That's how Google ranks and returns the results. Okay, so if you look through some of the results here, you'll see many scholarly reports. But I want to just click on one to see what type of information it is. And I mentioned that maybe pitch counts was something a student could research and the effects on Tommy John surgery. So this pulls up Sage Journals, where it gives the information about the study, the results. Sometimes you can only find the results if it's a paid website. This one just so happens to have everything right here visible for whoever's doing the research on it. It's got tables, etc. So very valuable information for those searching that topic. So if I go back to my search, I can go then come down here to the related search, and if I wanted to narrow down Tommy John surgery even more, I could come and talk about if there's an innings restriction or Tommy John or a pitch restriction that I could look at. I could click on the related search. It would pop up even less results. There, I cut them almost exactly in half, and I can find what people are saying as it pertains to pitching. So a very nice way to help your students sift through a lot of unimportant information when writing their research paper.